Hi dear students, I hope all are good. Dear students, in this video I am going to do the revision for your unit 1 and unit 2. So dear students, I know and you all of you know about your FA1 test. That's why I am going to do the revision for that. Okay. So first main is fill in the blanks. In this fill in the blanks from your unit first, solar system and earth. Okay. First one, the idea about the formation of the universe is known as dash theory. That is Big Bang theory. Next second, revolution and rotation are the two movements of planets. Okay. Next third one, planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbits. Fourth one, the family of the sun is known as the dash solar system. And last one, earth is surrounded with a layer of gases called the atmosphere. Okay, next main. Match the following. Blue planet, earth. Shooting stars, Meteorus. Gases, atmosphere. Neptune, gas giant. Venus, terrestrial planet. Group of stars, constellations. So these are the match the following. Main, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the universe has only one galaxy. Wrong or false. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. It's true. Third one, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called terrestrial planets. True. And last one is, the sun is also a star. True. These are the true or false main. Okay. Main, answer the following in one or two sentence. First question, what is Earth's surface made of? Answer, Earth's surface is made up of land and water. Then second one, name the natural satellite of Earth. So we know already, answer is Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Next, which galaxy does the solar system belong to? Answer is, a galaxy is a large group of stars, gas, dust and other heavenly bodies. These are the answer the following for your unit first. Next, main, answer the questions in detail. Okay. First question, how many planets are there in the solar system? Name them. Answer is, there are 8 planets are there in solar system. They are, first one Mercury, second one Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets. Okay. Next question. Second, what is constellation? Give example. Answer is, a group of stars that appears to form a pattern in the sky is called a constellations. Example, a group of stars that forms the shape of a small bear is called Ursa Minor. So dear students, these are the question and answer, fill in the blanks, match the following from your unit first. Okay. Next lesson 2, India, our country. We know already this is your second unit. We can see the some mains for this unit. Okay. First main, fill in the blanks. India is the dash largest country in area. So India is the 7th largest country in area. Next, second one, Chennai is the capital of dash. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. And third one, dash is the smallest state of India in area. Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India in area. And fourth one is, there are dash states and dash union territories in India. So there are 28 states and 9 union territories in India. And last one is, dash is the capital of India. So we know already New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. Next main, match the following. First one, Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal, Mizoram Aizawl, Punjab Chandigarh, Rajasthan Jaipur, Goa Panaji. Okay. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, India is located in the continent of Africa. See dear student, observe carefully. So in our India is located in Africa continent? No. So that's why it's false. Our India is located in Asia continent. Okay. Second one, the southernmost point of India territory is Indira Point. It's true. Third one, the largest state of India is Uttar Pradesh. False. Fourth one, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. False. Because these two islands are located in what? Bay of Bengal. You know. Next. Fifth one, the coastal boundary of India including the coast length of island is 8,100 km. False. Next main, answer the following in brief. First question, in which part of Asia is India located? Answer, India is part of the continent of Asia. It lies in the southern part of Asia. Okay. Then second one question, which two island groups are a part of India? Answer, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Second one, Lakshadweep. These are the two islands groups in India. Okay. Next one, third one, write the names of the water bodies that surrounded India. India is bound by three water bodies. They are, first one, Arabian Sea in the west. Second one, Bay of Bengal in the east. Third one, Indian Ocean in the south. Fourth one question, what are the political divisions of India? Answer is 28 states and 9 union territories. These states and union territories called the political divisions of India. Okay. Next, fifth one, name the neighboring countries of India. Name the neighboring countries of India. Answer, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Sri Lanka and Maldives are our across the sea neighbors of India. And sixth one, why is India known as a peninsular country? Answer, a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. The southern part of India is a peninsula, hence India is called a peninsular country. Okay. And last one is, name the physical features of India. Name the physical features of India. Answer is, India has many landforms such as mountains, deserts and plains. These landforms are also called the physical features of India. So dear students, these are the answer the following for your unit 2nd. So be practice. You have a exam for this units. So prepare well. Thank you.